You beautiful person, Jesus came to give you life abundantly to the full, till it overflows. But the thief come to kill, steal, and destroy. This is a bit of insight for you. If the thief came to kill, steal, and destroy, but Jesus says, I came to give you life abundant to the full, to enjoy to the overflow. So what is this all about? It's all about life. The Lord doesn't take life. He gives life. Abundant to the full, till it overflows. Where there's death in the world, it's not the Father. Where there's destruction in the world, it's not the Son. Where there's despair in the world, it's not Holy Spirit. But I can say to you this, when there's death and destruction and despair, I'm telling you now, the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit is in the midst of those things to comfort, to love, to support. I'm telling you. So we got to change our mindset concerning these things. When we read the Bible, when we read Old Testament, and God killed this and this and that. Now, Jesus was the full expression of the Godhead bodily. So when Jesus walked on this planet, he never killed anybody. He came to give life to the dead. He came to restore that what was broken. He came to bring healing for those that need healing. He came to give life to those that were totally, utterly dead, like Nazareth. So I want to say to you, this is how you got to view the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, that they're into life, not death. So I want to say to you, go out there, enjoy life to the full, till it overflows. Because He came to give it to you to life, to enjoy the abundant, the beautiful life. Is there death around us and there's destruction and pain? Yes, fair enough. Do I understand all of these things? No, I don't. But one thing I say to you, in the midst of those things, I'm telling you again, that is there to uplift, lift, and hold. And I'm telling you now, He is there. He is there. He is there in the midst of calamity. Although we don't understand why He stopped it, or this happens, or whatever, because we don't know the full story. We don't know the whole idea of what's people's heart, or things that we don't know. But all I want to say to you, He's into life, abundant to enjoy to the full, to the overflows. He's into no death of no person, no young person, no old person, nothing. He's only into life. Man, go out there, enjoy life to the full, till it overflows. That is who He is. You know? Yes, that is who He is. He's not a thief that kills, steals, and destroys. We know who that is. But He's into life abundant to the full, till it overflows, and to enjoy. Love you, bless you, man. Bye-bye.